Hey, I'm Dave. 30 years in professional kitchens, a stack of medals, and more burn scars than I'd like to admit, and now a brand new adventure. I'm launching a channel where you and I make restaurant quality food right at home. We'll sear steaks, torch desserts, maybe even juggle an onion or two. It's called You Can Cook with Dave, because if I can show you the tricks, you can do it. Each week we'll tackle a new dish, break it down step by step, and have some fun along the way. Hit subscribe, grab a fork, and let's get cooking.
Hey there, I'm Chef Dave. I've spent decades in professional kitchens, collected more than a few shiny things along the way, and I love every minute of it. Today I'm launching something brand new, my YouTube channel, You Can Cook with Dave. The goal? To show you that great food isn't just for chefs in hats. So I'm ditching the whites and slipping into my favorite tea. We're gonna cook real food right here in my kitchen, laugh a little, maybe dance a little, and definitely eat well. If I can cook it,